Hello everyone, welcome to Miteko YouTube channel. Today we have a new product of the Qianli company. Qianli company just made these products and it's the screwdriver and they name it after Henry Phillips. Henry Phillips, who is the inventor of crosshead screw design, and we will check these packs together. Now we are opening the package. Looks very good design, and when we open the package, inside there is a small note mentioning about the Henry Phillips. It's very kind of the Qianli company. Also there are 5 different screwdrivers, also you can check it from here. Let's check one of it. They made very good design. Let's check one of the screwdriver. Turning very fast. Inside of the hand like this. And let's try with the iPhone 10. Let me take off my case. Here it is. Inside of my hand, I'm feeling very good. It's turning very fast. We will give away this product. If you want to win it, subscribe to our channel, like and comment the video and share with your friends. Thank you for watching our video. See you in the next one.